Think you've been crushing incline bench to build that upper chest. Be real with me. Are you actually lifting your chest up or just lifting your ego? Because here's the truth. Most lifters completely butcher the incline press, and instead of building that superhero chest, they're wrecking their shoulders rep after rep. But don't worry. Today I'm going to break down exactly how to do the incline bench press the right way. From rookie mistakes all the way up to advanced tweaks that make your upper chest pop. Curiosity build common mistakes. Let's start with the ugly truth. The incline bench press is the most overestimated, under-executed lift on chest day. Mistake number 1. Cranking the bench way too high. Suddenly you're not training chest anymore, you're basically doing a shoulder press. Mistake number 2. Flaring the elbows out like wings. That's a fast track to cranky shoulders and stalled gains. And mistake number 3. Bouncing the bar off the chest or letting it drift toward the neck. Not only does it look sloppy, it robs you of real strength and puts your joints at risk. Lean in. Here's the kicker. Every single one of these mistakes takes the focus off your chest and dumps stress where it doesn't belong. Layer 1. Simple fixes / foundation. Okay, let's rebuild this from the ground up. Think of your body as a bridge. The stronger your foundation, the more weight you can carry. 1 bench angle, set the bench at 30 to 45 degrees. 2 flat and you're back to a regular bench press. 2 steep and you're doing shoulders. This sweet spot lights up your upper chest like nothing else. 2 feet placement, plant your feet flat on the ground. No dancing, no dangling. Your legs are anchors keeping you steady. 3 shoulder blades, squeeze them together like you're holding a pencil between them. This locks your shoulders in and keeps your chest proud. Lightbulb moment. Already feel more solid. That's the foundation kicking in. Layer 2. Intermediate fixes. Now let's refine the mechanics. Grip width slightly wider than shoulder width. Too narrow and your triceps do all the work. Too wide and your shoulders get smoked. Bar path, here's the trick. The bar shouldn't move straight up and down like an elevator. It should follow a slight arc. Lower it under control to your upper chest, just below your collarbone, then press back up so it finishes above your eyes. Elbow position, keep them tucked at about a 45-degree angle. Not pinned against your ribs, not flared out like chicken wings. Just right to keep tension in your chest and your shoulders safe. Mini pause. Notice how much smoother that feels. That's leverage working in your favor. Layer 3. Advanced tweaks. Alright, this is where advanced lifters separate themselves. Core engagement, brace your core like someone about to punch you. Your torso is the foundation of the lift. If it's loose, your power leaks out. Leg drive, push your feet into the ground as you press. It's not just an arm and chest move. Your whole body should feel like it's helping move the bar. Wrist and elbow alignment. Keep your wrists stacked right above your elbows. That direct line of force spares your joints and channels maximum strength into the bar. Tempo control, don't just drop the bar. Lower it slow, pause for half a second, then explode up. That pause eliminates momentum and makes your chest work harder. Wrong versus right contrast. Now let's put it side by side. Backhand index pointing right, wrong form, bench angle too high, elbows flared, bar bouncing, wrists bent, bar drifting to the neck. Looks sketchy, feels painful. Backhand index pointing right, right form, bench set at 30-45 degrees, feet planted, chest up, elbows tucked, smooth arc bar path, wrists stacked. Looks clean, feels powerful. Closing challenge and motivation. So here's your challenge. Strip the weight back, set the bench correctly, and try 10 flawless reps of incline bench press. Focus on foot drive, chest proud, and that smooth arc bar path. Pay attention to how much stronger and safer it feels. This isn't just about lifting the bar, it's about mastering the movement. Perfect reps build perfect strength. Keep practicing, Keep refining and your upper chest will thank you with size and power. Now go own that incline bench, and I'll see you in the next workout.